Today I'd like to review this great looking LED Wi-Fi strip lights. This is 100 feet. You can install app to connect through Wi-Fi and control it. I just unpacked it quickly. It comes with special connectors that you can, attach to the ceiling, for instance, and then wire your ceiling if you wish to. Has this remote control, and it allows you, choose different colors just using the remote control, the manual, and there are two LED lights here. So I just quickly connected this just to show you how it works. Keep in mind that there's this one part here which picks up sound, so if you playing a game or there's a music, it will change colors based on the sound. I'm going to quickly show you. So I'm connected. As you can see, there's just one type of color, and you can just select different colors by just clicking this, and it changes. So yeah, I'm really impressed with how easy one can set it up, and the box is really sturdy, and the item itself is well packed, so I highly recommend it. Good product.